How to mirror your phone to laptop just like this. Hi, welcome to Tech Tools. If this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and follow our step-by-step tutorial on how to mirror your phone to laptop. Let's get started. Open the ApowerMirror software on your laptop. If you haven't installed it yet, follow the steps to install. Open your browser. Search for ApowerMirror. Click on the first result that says ApowerMirror Mirror Phone to PC. Next, click on the Windows icon. In my case, I've already downloaded the software. So let's go to the next step. To open application, double-click or right-click, then select the Open option. Here is the ApowerMirror software interface. And we have two methods you can mirror your phone to laptop: the wireless and the USB connection. But in this video, I will be making this tutorial using the wireless method, and I guess that is what you want. When you click the wireless option, here is the interface you will see: the local cast code and QR code. Just leave this interface open like this on your laptop, and next, we will be installing ApowerMirror software on your phone. To do that, go over to your phone and follow this guide. Open the Play Store app. Tap on the search icon. On the search bar, you should type ApowerMirror. Text is displayed on your screen. Tap on the text, and you will see different results for ApowerMirror software. Be careful the one you choose. You can see the one with this logo. Click on it. Click on Install button. Next, wait for installation to complete. After installation is complete, click on the Open button to launch application. Here, follow the on-screen process. Here is ApowerMirror mobile app interface. Let's proceed to mirroring your phone to laptop. But make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi with your laptop. To do that, swipe down from the top of your phone. Turn on Wi-Fi, long press. This will take you to available Wi-Fi in your area. Tap on the one that is yours and make sure it's the one your laptop is connected to. Enter its password. Now go back to the ApowerMirror application. You should see your laptop displayed here. But if not detected, click on the refresh button to refresh. Your laptop will automatically appear here. If still not detected, go back and check if your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then go back and refresh again. Please subscribe to this channel. It will encourage us to make more videos like this one. Your laptop is now detected. Now tap on it. This will take you to another screen with the options to mirror phone to PC, mirror PC to phone, and PowerPoint. But our video is to mirror phone to PC, so click on the option that says Mirror Phone to PC. Click on where you see a single app. There's another option that says Entire Screen. Select it, except you want to mirror just a particular app. Click on Start. Your laptop then will display just this way. Congratulations, you have succeeded in mirroring your phone to laptop. Press the home button on your phone. Now enjoy screen mirroring. Please subscribe if this video helped you.